Today I'm super excited because I'll be unboxing a brand new graphic tablet. It's the Deco 01 V2. Let's dive right in. First thing out of the box, we've got a pen holder. Next up, we've got manuals and warranty information, the stylus pen. Next up, we've got the drawing glove. This is such a thoughtful addition. If you've never used one before, it helps prevent your palm from triggering the tablet. Next, we have the micro USB and USB-C adapters. Here we have the USB cable, replacement nibs for your pen, the protective film, and finally, the graphic tablet itself. This is where the magic happens. I can't wait to try it out. And that's everything inside the box. We've got the pen, the glove, the cable, adapters, nibs, and of course, the graphic tablet itself. I'm excited to test this out in the next video.